So this is my phone speaker, the basic shape of my phone speaker. So basically what I use is I used a wedge here, enlarged it so it could fit a phone, so a phone could at least stand on it. And then I created this rectangular hole here and angled it so it's almost in line with the wedge. And I measured it out so it would be the same using a caliper on my phone so it could fit my phone and its phone case into the slot here. This orange tube here is where the phone goes into, and it stands on this little red rectangular piece right here that goes inside the tube. The phone then slides down, sits on that into the tube, and then the holes go into these hyperbolic shape here. It's actually paraboloid shape here, which the hole goes into it, and then I create a smaller hole of the paraboloid so it'd actually have some room to make a sound. And it's in line with the ground so it doesn't mess up printing. I used to have a different Pac-Man shape on here before, but it failed to print every time on the 3D printer. So then I started adding some extra design so it wouldn't have to print as much. So it has like kind of a honeycomb shape up here. So the phone sits on this kind of like honeycomb shape that looks pretty cool. Has the sun shape on the sides, along with a little bit of a curve at the top. It didn't print out perfectly, but it did kind of curve a little bit. And its back side is pretty cool because it has all these diamond shapes just sticking out in the back, which makes it really cool looking. So yeah, this is my phone speaker and it actually works a little bit. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.